Welcome everybody, welcome. Today, we're removing the remote start. And as you can see, probably from many videos, you have to check the wiring to see how it's wired in. This one does not look like it is wired in, hardwired. Look like it was just wire spliced and they tapped into them. No wires running to the box and back out and then connected. The only issue that I see that we may run across is this wire. It is being fed something. So once this wire is connected, what is going to feed it? Dum 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 dum. We shall see if the vehicle should start with this little raggedy key. That was the point of the rubber band on the remote, folks. You didn't notice that. If you did see it, whatever, it holds on to the key. Oh, how I wish this was Florida. Straight to the derby with this thing, 4x4. Kids and all could ride. But yeah, we're gonna do some snipping and we're gonna see what we get. So just hang in there. And don't forget to pull down the sensor. That was ran up through here, all up there, stuck on the windshield. Yeah. Well, we'll start with unhooking the ground. Oh, this little thing is tough. It doesn't want to come out. Self-taps. How pleasant. Tap right back into where you're going. Because you're out of here, buddy. Just touch it and the door is locked. Wow, so unique. And if you're going to drive the vehicle, make sure you tape the wires up, guys. Don't do no lostness and confuseness. Do not do that. That's just the seat behind me. And watch out for this harness right here. You want to cut them on a tight angle so you don't leave no space in the wire. I'm doing this as if this vehicle was being kept for more purposes, so you can see how to do it at least a somewhat of the right way. Okay. No hard wiring. Easy removal. One day I'll have all those cameras, guys. I actually have them. I got to figure out how to set them up. And wow. Let's see what we have here. Oh! Successful remove of the remote start. Can we do that again? Successful. 2005 Durango. Probably going to the crusher. Body was beat. Rack opinion. 245 on the miles. Out of there, Dano. Motor has a light tick once it runs for a little while. So we're not dealing with it. G'day, folks. We got what we came for. The brain, the remote, reset, the sensor. Now it's just installing. More videos to come. Bye-bye now, folks. Bye-bye now. Ha ha. Fly Kid 6. Thinking International. We are shooting stars. We are. Swear to you, we are. Fly Kid 6. Thinking International.